Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Safety Spot at School. Stop! Safety spots are here. Have you had your school safety training yet? I had safety training last year, but I could use a refresher. I'm just starting kindergarten. What do I need to know about school safety? It's important that we are safe when we learn, play, and have fun. So the other safety spots and I are here to show you how you can be safe at school. Look, the safety spots are already spotting safe situations. Great job using a helmet when riding a bike. That protects your brain if you fall. Nice hand holding when crossing the street. When crossing the street, it's important to always look for cars and cyclists. You can do this by looking left, looking right, and then looking left again. At school, there may be a crossing guard. Make sure you're paying attention and only walk when you are told it's safe. If you walk in front of the bus, make sure you can see the bus driver so they can see you. Hold the handrails when stepping on and off the bus so you don't fall. There are lots of ways to be safe inside a school bus. Keep your hands and feet inside the bus. Use inside voices. No eating food. Keep your backpack zipped so nothing falls out. And stay seated and keep your hands and feet to yourself. Okay, now that we've talked about safety outside of school, it's time to go inside the school to see all the ways you can be safe. When you're inside the school, always use walking feet. Use the handrail when walking up or down the stairs. Be on the lookout for safety signs to prevent injury. If an accident happens, tell a teacher right away. Stay with your class so you don't get lost. Sit while cutting. Pass scissor handle first. Hold blade down when walking. Walk slowly when holding scissors. Some things need to be handled safely. Scissors safety needs to be used all the time. Make sure your shoes are tied up so you don't trip. Lunchtime is full safety spot. Throwing away your trash is a great way to be respectful, responsible, and safe. Remember to eat your own food and eat quietly and slowly so you don't choke. If you see the sign, make sure to keep peanuts away. This protects people with food allergies. Peanut-free zone. Please do not bring any peanuts or products containing peanuts into this area. When drinking from the fountain, don't put your mouth on the spout. There are a lot of germs at school, and we all want to stay healthy, so it's important to cover your mouth when you cough. Cough or sneeze into your sleeve or a tissue to avoid spreading germs. Don't forget to throw away your tissue after. It's important to wash your hands after using the bathroom and before you eat to avoid getting sick. Make sure to use soap. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice. On the playground, you will see a lot of safety spots. Be kind to nature, not pulling leaves or grass, flowers, and bark. Share, take turns, and play together as a team. If someone gets hurt, tell a teacher right away. Stay hydrated, especially in summer months when it's hot. Walk and play away from the swing so you don't get hurt. Sticks, sand, and rocks should stay on the ground. Look where you're going when running. Only one person on the slide at a time. Make sure feet go first. Only climb on equipment meant for climbing. Like, do not climb on the slide because you might slip and then you will fall and get really hurt / injured. If you're feeling pressured to do something you don't want to do or you think is wrong, you have the courage to say no. If you see someone being treated unlikely, ask them if they need help. If they do, get a teacher. Sometimes there are situations that are dangerous and we need to practice being safe. These are called drills. It's very important that we listen to our teacher because they want us to be safe. Eyes watching, ears listening, mouth quiet, hands calm. Fire, stop what are you doing? Get in line. Walk to our safe spot. You might see a firefighter. They are there to keep us safe. Intruder, stop what are you doing? Walk to our safe spot. The teacher will shut off the light. Sit together quietly. You might see the police. They are there to keep us safe. But sometimes there are drills at school where there is not a firefighter or not a police officer. Earthquake, stop what are you doing? Crawl under a table or desk. Crouch down and hold the table legs. During the drill, stay calm and listen to your teacher. If you feel scared or worried during the drill, remember your teacher is there to keep you safe. After the drill is over, wait for your teacher's instruction to go back to what you were doing. Be proud of yourself for staying safe and practicing drills. Tornado, stop what are you doing? Get in line. Walk up to a safe spot. Crouch into a ball and cover your head. Cover your head because there might be debris that fall on you and then you'll get really hurt. It might damage your brain and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!